This is example 4 for lab 7. We want to find the domain and range of the following graph. The domain is going to be the x values and the range is going to be the y values. So if you look at our graph to look at the domain, we're going to look at each x value that it can possibly be. So drawing vertical lines, will it touch the function? So for example, if we draw a vertical line at 1, up and down, wherever 1 is, it'll touch the function here. Right? So if we do that over and over and over again, we'll find out what x values are in our domain. So in our domain, we can see that the function exists from here, from this x value right here, and it just goes off the graph, so we assume that it goes to infinity, right? So our x values are going to be from this value, which is -1/3, to infinity. So our domain is including -1/3, and it goes until infinity, like that. Our range is going to be our y values. So we can see that our y values, if you draw horizontal lines for each y value, we'll see where our function exists. So our function starts here in y values, which is at 0. And it goes, see, it touches the function here, touches the function here when y is 2. It goes until infinity. So if you go upwards, you'll hit the function if you draw horizontal lines for each y value until 0. It does not exist at -2, for example, but it does start at 0. So our range is including 0 to infinity.